Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's episode is going to be a little different. We're not talking about the struggles, the challenges, or the negativity that sometimes gets associated with Africa. Today we're celebrating success stories. We're diving into the world of African ingenuity, innovation, and sheer determination that's shaping the future of the continent. From tech entrepreneurs to fashion designers, farmers to artists, Africa is brimming with talent and ambition. So buckle up, because we're about to embark on a journey that'll inspire you, motivate you, and maybe even make you shed a few happy tears. Let's go! Segment 1, Tech Innovation. Who would have thought that a simple SMS platform would revolutionize the financial landscape of an entire continent? Well, that's exactly what M-Pesa did. This Kenyan-born mobile money service has transformed the way millions of Africans access and manage their finances. It's a shining example of how African innovation can solve real-world problems and empower communities. But M-Pesa is just the tip of the iceberg. From drone delivery startups in Rwanda to AI-powered healthcare solutions in Nigeria, young Africans are taking center stage in the global tech scene. They're proving that you don't need to be in Silicon Valley to build the next big thing. So next time you hear someone say Africa is behind the times, remember M-Pesa and the countless other tech success stories that are changing the narrative. Africa is innovating, and it's doing so at an impressive pace. Segment 2, Agriculture Revolution. Forget the dusty fields and outdated farming practices of the past. Africa's agricultural sector is experiencing a revolution driven by young, tech-savvy farmers who are embracing innovation. From solar-powered irrigation systems to precision agriculture techniques, these farmers are maximizing their yields and transforming the continent into a food production powerhouse. And it's not just about technology. African farmers are also building strong cooperative networks, sharing knowledge, and accessing new markets. This collaborative spirit is creating a thriving agricultural ecosystem that's feeding millions and generating economic opportunities. So the next time you bite into a delicious mango or sip a glass of refreshing orange juice, remember that there's a good chance it came from the fertile fields of Africa. Our farmers are not only feeding the continent, but they're also contributing to global food security. Segment 3, Creative Explosion. When it comes to creativity, Africa is a force to be reckoned with. From the vibrant music scene to the stunning fashion industry, African artists are capturing the world's attention with their unique talent and perspective. Whether it's the infectious beats of Afrobeat musicians like Burna Boy and Wizkid, or the breathtaking choreography of dance companies like Ballet Black, African artists are captivating audiences and breaking down cultural barriers. And let's not forget about fashion. African designers are making a splash on the global fashion scene, showcasing their bold prints, intricate fabrics, and modern silhouettes. From Stella Jean to Mackie, these designers are proving that African fashion is not just a trend, it's a statement. So the next time you're looking for something new and exciting to listen to, watch, or wear, look no further than Africa. The continent is bursting with creative talent that will leave you inspired and wanting more. So there you have it, a glimpse into the world of African success stories. From tech entrepreneurs to farmers, musicians to designers, these individuals are proving that Africa is a continent on the rise. They are the changemakers, the innovators, the dreamers who are shaping a brighter future for themselves and their communities. I encourage you to learn more about these inspiring individuals and the countless others who are making Africa great.